Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Espresso machine with portafilter system from SILVERCREST. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included in the box we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice. Stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Some safety stickers that I need to remove. Perfect. The power cord with a cable length 1.2 meters. We have some accessories, the portafilter. Filter for double espresso, that is very hard to remove, and for single espresso, it is your choice. Yeah, I don't know why it's so hard to install and remove. Okay. The tumbler, I like that. Compared to the oldest model, I like that more. At the oldest model we had the plastic tumbler. This is metal with plastic. The drip tray, you can remove the drip tray. Metal. And inside we have the float. Indicator empty drip tray. This red. You can clean it, no worries, under the water. And install it here. Rubber suction caps at the bottom. It will help the machine to stay very secure at any surface. Here we have a hot plate for cups. At the back it is the lid of the water tank. Another manual. Just pull and you can remove the water tank. Max 100 ml, minimum 250 ml. Minimum and max. Transparent, I like it. Remove that and place it back. I like the design. Black, silver color. Plastic, metal. The on-off switch, I think it has indicator, we're going to find out together. The dial for steam and hot water production. The steam nozzle, remove and clean it. You can adjust it through this plastic. The brewing head with the output, different design, here plastic part around, metal inside, and of course at the front we have the controls with 3 indicators, the button for single espresso, the button for double espresso and for steam production, with indicators around. And lock. So let's move on and start making espresso. That is my favorite coffee. And of course, and we'll test and the dial for steam and hot water production. We need water at the tank. There it is. And as you have already understand, it doesn't have a temperature indicator. The machine has a powerful 19 bar pump pressure for perfect cream and flavor. On. No indicator at the on-off switch. Both indicators for the double and single espresso are flashing. And solid on, that means it's ready. Very fast, not more than 25 to 30 seconds. And it has an auto shutdown after 30 minutes on. Now if you're using the machine for the first time, just pour only water. Double. Wow, it is very quiet. Compared to the oldest model, that is very quiet. And it has an auto shutdown for the double espresso. Just love it. That is a huge upgrade. Let's try for the single. Nice, same and for the single. Just love it. Ready? Now you can press the button for the steam. Waiting to stop the indicator flashing. Okay, nice. Press again the steam button. Goes to the espresso, double or single. Now I will test it first with the double espresso. It doesn't have a spoon in the box, so use your own spoon. Nice. I like the tamper. And of course we have the max capacity for the double and the single espresso. And it locks. Lock and unlock icons here. On-off button again. What is going on? Where's the coffee? What's happening? We have hot surface here. Yes. Oh. But it's not pumping water. Oh my god. And honestly, I just love it. How it looks, this machine. But it's not working now. Why? Let's turn it off, unplug. Okay, plug it in again. On. Okay, ready. Come on, I need my coffee. It is early morning and I need to drink a coffee. You are brand new. Why you're not working? Come on, you can do it. What the F is going on? Silvercrest, just love Silvercrest. It's not the first time that it's happening, just something like that. I don't know, maybe. Come on, you can do it. Pump water. He's trying, I'm not saying he's not trying. Definitely that will not work. Pump the water! Come on! Oh, there it is! It is alive! It's working! Oh my god, that is hilarious. Okay. So let's taste it. Rich froth. I like it. Now let's try a single espresso. And obviously I need to remove for the double espresso, install for the single espresso, and the single espresso. I think it's okay. Max. Is it going to work? I hope so. Yes, it's working. What? Get into you in the start. And that is the single espresso. Now I would like to make again the double espresso because more or less are the same, because that was the first time for the double espresso. Single is here, we have the double. Perfect. It is hot. Yep, now it is a double espresso. We can see the comparison. Now let's make a cappuccino. Press the button. He's trying. I think we have some issues with the pump. So let's wait, because it's flushing. Okay, now it's not flushing. Now it's flushing. But I don't see any hot water. My God, I think this machine has definitely a problem. Waste of time again. Silvercrest, thumbs down. Come on. Okay, what's happening? What's wrong with you? I don't think so. I will lose my time anymore. So if you want to invest 90 euros, well, don't buy this SILVERCREST.